Are you looking for the top 5 best food processors you need? Tired of spending way too much time chopping and prepping your meals? Here are the 5 best food processors I've found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper. Let's kick things off with the Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper. Priced at just $24.95, it's super affordable, and what caught my attention was its patented stack and press design that makes chopping a breeze. If you want an easy-to-use chopper for everyday tasks, this is worth a serious look. This chopper is perfect for dicing, mincing, and pureeing, and it has a 350-watt motor that powers through tough ingredients like onions and nuts without breaking a sweat. You'll be able to chop up to 3 cups of food, which is great for smaller batches. Plus, it features stainless steel blades that are designed for durability and efficiency. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're someone who loves fresh ingredients but hates the prep time, this chopper will save you so much hassle. Now, I do want to mention that some users have pointed out that the bowl can be a bit small for larger families. Here's the thing though, if you're cooking for 1 or 2, this won't be an issue at all. It still gets the job done quickly and effectively. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, no-fuss solution for everyday chopping needs. Skip this one if you need to prepare larger quantities at once. For the price, it's a solid addition to your kitchen. Now, if the small capacity of the Hamilton Beach bothered you, this next one takes a
Product number 2. Ninja Kitchen System BL770. Next up is the Ninja Kitchen System BL770, a true all-in-one powerhouse priced at $179.99. What really caught my attention is its impressive 1500-watt motor, which means it can easily crush ice and blend frozen fruits like a champ. If you want a multifunctional kitchen tool that does it all, this one is worth checking out. This system not only blends, but also chops, crushes, and even can make dough. The 8-cup food processor bowl is perfect for all your chopping and mixing needs, while the included Nutri-Ninja cups let you take your smoothies on the go. This versatility is a game changer for busy individuals or families. Imagine being able to throw together a smoothie, a fresh salsa, and even dough for pizza all in one machine. Here's why this matters for you. If you love cooking, this one-stop solution can streamline your kitchen tasks and save you time. However, some reviews noted that the system can be a bit bulky, taking up a fair amount of counter space. But honestly, if you're serious about meal prep and want a machine that can handle almost anything, the size is a minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful, multifunctional kitchen tool that can handle any task. Skip it if you have a limited counter space or prefer a more compact solution. Overall, it's a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about cooking. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a compact yet. Product number 3. Ninja Kitchen System BR601 AMZ. Coming in at $219.99, the Ninja Kitchen System BR601 AMZ is another incredible option. What really stands out is its 1200-watt motor, designed to power through tough ingredients with ease. If you want a versatile machine that can handle everything from smoothies to dough, this is definitely one to consider. This system includes a 72-ounce pitcher for large batches, along with an 8-cup food processor bowl for precise chopping and pureeing. It also features preset programs that take the guesswork out of your recipes, so you can pour in your ingredients and let it do the work. Here's why this matters for you. If you're prepping meals for a family, this efficiency and power can save you tons of time in the kitchen. One downside I've seen mentioned is that it lacks a manual function for finer control, which can be a bit frustrating for experienced cooks. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for convenience and speed, the preset functions will likely make your life so much easier. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful blender and food processor combo that can tackle any kitchen task. Skip this if you prefer manual control over your blending and chopping. It's a great choice for anyone looking to streamline their meal prep. Now, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, then Product number 4. Ninja Food Processor BN601. Next, we have the Ninja Food Processor Professional Plus,
priced at $99.99. What caught my eye is its 1000 peak watts, which delivers powerful performance for all your food prep needs. If you want a solid processor that won't break the bank, this is definitely worth a look. This food processor features a 9-cup bowl, making it perfect for larger batches, whether you're prepping for a family meal or weekly meal prep. The Auto IQ technology takes the guesswork out of food prep with one-touch control for various functions like chopping and dough making. This means you can spend less time worrying about the process and more time enjoying your meals. Here's why this matters for you. If you're busy but still want to eat homemade meals, this tool can help you achieve that effortlessly. However, I did notice that some users said the bowl's design can make it a little tricky to clean. But honestly, with all the removable parts being dishwasher safe, it's not nearly as big of a hassle as it sounds. This is perfect for you if you want a user-friendly, powerful food processor without spending a fortune. Skip it if you need something more compact or if super easy cleanup is a top priority for you. It's a great value for what you get. Now, if the need for easy...
Product number 5, Hamilton Beach 70730. Finally, we have the Hamilton Beach Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper, priced at $69.95. What stood out to me was its built-in bowl scraper, which saves you from having to stop and scrape down the sides while it's running. If you want a reliable, easy-to-use processor that simplifies the chopping process, this is definitely one to consider. This food processor comes with a generous 10-cup capacity, which is great for larger families or meal prepping. It has a powerful 450-watt motor, capable of handling tough ingredients like hard vegetables and dough. Plus, the interchangeable blades and adjustable speeds give you the flexibility you need for various recipes. Here's why this matters for you. If you often find yourself dreading the prep work, this processor can seriously cut down on your time spent in the kitchen. However, some people mention that the motor can be a bit loud when in use. Here's the thing, if you're someone who values efficiency over noise, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly processor that can handle a variety of tasks. Skip this one if you're particularly sensitive to noise or need a super quiet kitchen. For what you get, it's a fantastic...
So there you have it, 5 solid food processors to consider. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Ninja Kitchen System BL770 because of its incredible power and versatility for all kinds of food prep. But seriously, avoid the Ninja Kitchen System BR601AMZ if easy manual control is non-negotiable for you. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.